In this video, I will show you how to book a hotel on Expedia, so make sure to follow along with me to learn how to search for hotels, compare prices, choose your room and complete your booking easily. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to get started, of course what you want to do is head over to the Expedia website and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you're going to see a screen like this, and if you look at the top, we've got some different options. So you can see we've got stays, flights, cars, packages, and things to do. What you want to do is make sure you select the option which says stays, which is the option you need to select to book a hotel. Once you've done that, what you can do is come to the where to box and choose your destination. So you can type it into the box here and you can be as specific as you want. You might get some search results come up, in which case you just want to select the best result from here. Once you've done that, click onto dates, and what you want to do first is select your check-in date. So for example, if I wanted to check in on the 3rd of June, I would click here. And then what you can do is select the date when you will be leaving the hotel. So I'm going to stay, for example, from the 3rd until the 6th. So I would select the 3rd first as my check-in date, and then click onto the 6th as my checkout date. Once that's done, click onto Travelers. What you can now do is choose how many rooms you want and the amount of guests in each room, including adults and children. In this example, I'm going to select just one room with 2 adults and 1 child. It's going to ask for the child's age if you do select any children, so make sure to select that as well. And once you've done that, you can click on to done. After doing this, click the search button, and this is going to start searching for hotels on the date specified with the guests required. Generally, you do get some really good deals on Expedia, so what you want to do is scroll through and choose the hotel that meets your needs. You can see the reviews for each hotel is listed here and the price information over here. There's also going to be some information about the rooms as well. For example, this one has AC, free Wi-Fi, international dining, and it's minutes from the castle and has easy airport access. Using this information, you can select the hotel that is best suited for your needs, and you do have a filter option on the left hand side if there's anything in particular that you're looking for when you're booking your hotel. Now in this example, we're going to go and use the Royal Hotel as an example. So what you're going to want to do is give it a click. That's going to take you across to a page like this, which is going to give you further information about the hotel, including the location of the hotel and information about the hotel itself. If you look at the top, you can click onto these different tabs to find information about the hotel, rooms, accessibility and policies. Now to actually book your rooms and book the hotel, if you scroll down on the page to the choose your room section, you're going to see your selected information, so your start date, end date and your travel information, and just underneath this you're going to see all the rooms available. Generally they're going to give you the most recommended room for your preferences, and from here you're going to see some further options including information about cancellation policy. So for example, if you want it to be non-refundable, you can see in this case there's not a charge. But if you do want it to be refundable, then there is a charge for that as well. There's also a extra section as well. So if you wanted to add any extras, you're going to find that here. And if the room is available, you're going to see a reserve button. If the room is not available, it's going to say we're sold out or something like that. So in this case, we've just got the standard triple room that we can book. You can also use the arrows to scroll through to get an idea of the type of room and what it's going to look like. And all you would do is click the reserve button. And what that's going to do is take you to the next screen where you can start to book your hotel. So at this point, you just need to put your check-in details, which is going to be your name and phone number. And then what you would do is select your payment details, which you're going to have a different number of options dependent on your country. So if you're doing it by card, you would send your card details, or in this example, we've got Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, and Klarna. You can find information about your hotel and booking on the right-hand side, which you can check through to make sure everything meets your needs. And once you're happy, just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure to read through the cancellation policy, checking the instructions, things like that, and then just simply click the buy now button. Once that's done, Expedia is going to process your payment and your hotel will now be booked. You're generally going to receive a confirmation email from Expedia as well, which will be sent to the email on your account. So that is how to book a hotel on Expedia. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.